SCX Video Digital Car Hand Control Maintenance. This is a hand throttler, hand controller, hand throttler is what I'm calling them. Basically, the hand throttler has your throttle, which gives your car your speed, and the other button, which is to program it. So if you have your car on the track, press the program car button, the word car comes up, you press the back of your controller, flat lines, take the car off the track, put it on the track, car is programmed, press the back of the button, and your car will switch lanes. Okay, it works. Sometimes in your racing, you're using this controller thousands of times, you're over pressing the button. You don't need to press it hard because just a nice tap on the button will switch your lanes. Okay, so what you do is you take your hand controller apart, you pull the rubber back half of the controller, which will reveal the screw holes, 4 of them, 2 in the top, 1 in the center, 1 in the bottom on the hand throttle. Pull the top of the part. Make sure that you don't pull it, unsnap it too hard that your spring mechanism will come out. But basically your spring goes underneath this armature here, this bar here, which allows your thing to spring back and forth, okay? Which is going to it's going to show you the switch, okay? Here's your switch. And sometimes, you know, when you're pressing it a lot, your switch is going to get pushed back. So when it pushes, it's not going to operate correctly. So what you want to do is you want to bend that back up, crimp both sides of the switch to give it a support, okay? Put your switch mechanism back in, put your hand controller back together. Now what I do is I cut my hand controller rubbers off halfway, okay? And then drill a hole with a Dremel tool right where that screw would go. So the next time you do maintenance on it, you don't have to re-glue it with crazy glue, and then you don't have to pull the crazy glue off again. Just cut this one, stick it back on, and then see how it switches lanes? See how the car switches lanes? That hand controller was not working about 2 minutes ago. Now it's perfectly fine by switching your lanes. Switch your lanes, boom, your car works. That's how you can fix your hand controller in about 3 minutes or less, and your hand controllers will last a long time. Remember, do not overpress your button. It's just a simple tap which will switch your lanes to get your car to go wherever you want it to go. End of the digital car hand controller maintenance, and thanks and have a great day.